Welcome to FM channel. In the last video, we seen about the factors to learn prime factorization. But what about the primes? Prime numbers are numbers that cannot be factored as a product of any number. That is, it doesn't have a divisor except 1 or itself. Say we have the number 6 and 7. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Whereas the factors of 7 has only 2 factor 1 in itself. So, we conclude that 7 is a prime number. Consider the number 13. Factors of 13 are 1 and 13. Factors of 19 are 1 and 19. Here, there is no other factors except 1 in itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. List of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. The only even prime number is 2. Numbers other than prime is said to be a composite number. The greatest prime number till now found has 23,249,425 digits. Thanks for watching. Support us by sharing this video.